Det manimba. Duoko duto ne penjo mag jikondi.
Machikini kendo nyako na mga jwang kamar mar mainti okinyi eri market kod mano dake odong kanyo ariyo to romo saa ariyo okinyi eri market kod ma gino ni samoro intie pacho kanye tima achiel ariyo adek uyudo chai ne romo okinyi kata gimo e romo uchako go odiochieng' okinyi eri market kod ma kaka nwasingo nwa odiochieng' manyoro nyaka kawuono wantie ka koda wendo jod bura nero ma Nyakach mano migosi Joshua Adoma mawuodo wuok ma ng'eny luongo ga ni Nyakwar Kere machiegni king'iyo picha mane nyimwa ni mose oganda joka Nyanam Okinyi market kod ma to gweng' ochiew nade?
Erokamano wachiew maber gweng' ma Nyakach
erokamano. Mheshimiwa idonjo kaka jaod bura ma Nyakach higa mane?
Adonjo kaka jaod bura ma Nyakach yiero mar 2013. Yes.
To ang'o mane odhiri mondo mi idhi tine jowu? Be nitie gik mane ili gi samoro be in ng'at mane tiyo mana tijege mheshimiwa ma be ni inya bet abeta mos ticham mana mwandi?
Erokamano, ne nitie gik mananeno kane jopiny ok timre yore makare maber. Mokwongo ne aneno ka Nyakach ne wan gi weche mang'eny mane chendo mag insecurity mane chando jothurwa. Ne waonge arita kwe maber Nyakach, and jopiny ne hinyore mang'eny, ni nego, ne turo utegi, ne kwalo dhoge gi thuon. Koro mano ne chando chunya nikech jopiny koro ne ok nyal bedo gi mwandu gi kwe chunygi. Mar ariyo, ni ndeche ne nitie mne richo kabisa. Koro yore mag transport e gwenge ma Nyakach ne chendo kabisa. Apeche ne okale molos seche mane koth ochwe. To kata ka koth ne onge to ne en apeche mag bugni madongo dongo e ng'eny gwenge ma Nyakach. Koro mano be achiel kuom gik mane chanda. Skunde magwa man go Nyakach ne nie very bad conditions. Ng'eny skunde nitie ma ne gina low kata dier ot, to kendo nyithindwa mang'eny ne mineme chamo. Koro mago ne chanda ni weche mag somo ne wanyalo ting'o nade ma mondo wakel malo mowinjore, nikech oganda mar Luo, jo Nyakach kata oganda mar Luo gin jomovalu somo kendo ero weche mag somo.
Tisechiedho nade mheshimiwa nyaka koro giga ni eri? In gi kimara 13 koka koso to isechiedho nade jo Nyakach king'iyo kumibete samoro kidhi e pien ka yula kawi, ang'o ma mibedo kod chuny mamor ne oganda ni ma jo Nyakach?
Ka yula kawa tawacho ni jowa mani nega gi wang' teko minyalo biti nyisi ni gol dhogi. Apani mano no waduoko chien, pod ok watieke completely. To waduoke chien to okang' mamalo. Kuo mar wang' teko no waduoko chien, kendo mano natemo konyora gi sirikal to gi committees masebede bunge mana timo gik manyalo miyo obila mikelo koro timo tegno. Natemo support tije mag obila magero police stations mogwarore minyalo kwan. Kidhi kamiluongo ni got kawa Ombosondu nitie police station magero, nikech mane nitie ne sab mana Kericho e Sondu kor Lamu. Koro nitie magero kanyo, kendo agero ne jo arita kwego ute mabeyo ma permanent maginyalo dak. Kidhi e tong'wa gi Kericho miluongo ni Kapsorok, kanyo be nitie ute magero mag arita kwe magero ne polise ma koro ginyalo dake maber ka gibete tong' kanyo ka gikelo kwe. Kibiro kar jowa miluongo ni jo Rapid Response Unit monego bene jo anti-stock theft, kama ne gintie ne ok ochiel maber. Nabiro mwatimo negi chiedo maber kendo waketo negi stima kanyo chon, kata askechego ne onge kuma nyalo chaje kata simbegi. Koro mago nitie. Center wa ma bende nitiere ga lot of insecurity miluongo ni Katito, nyiche no wagero negi police, Katito police station Nwaketo Maswagero moserumo koro wan gi police station Katito. Nakelo negi the police dog unit ma we paid and I built on police dog mar Katito. Natemo kanyo kendo sani waketo negi ICT app manyalo bro konyogi kendo ganyo gando mar jo matindo tindo. ICT app madhi mbele Katito police station at a cost of 8 million. Mano is going on, son. Paponditi police station was also in a very bad state, so no atemo mwa improve kwariwe offices makadisi. Office makadisi mana nenie pap maonge kata chiedo malong. Koro mago gik kuduto mwasetimo. Kidhi kamoro ni Sondu Miriu, ibrodo ka kanyo be wagere new police station to gi Ogoro. Be wagere new police station mantie kanyo mondo wa improve services mosebedo ka chiendo.
Ndalo moko wawuotho kodi kane omajo wa dhok kendo lweny nitie ma iga ka iga lweny nitie gwenge kuma Sondu. Anyalo paro ng'e koda pachi paro midhiambo kane wantie koda jaod bura apani en jaod bura ma kindego Migosi Justice. Could he still be the area MP?
Yes, Justice is still the area MP mar Science Gowe.
Exactly.
Kendo osebedo kwetiyo kode
bura mane wago godhiambo kane wuoyo matek malich mokalo. Be ineno ka ne nitie olemo mane ginyago kwa wuoyo gi sani to wat mane kindwa kod oganda wago gi sani chalo nade?
Nyaka ne watudre gi Justice Kimei ma en MP ma Science Gowe. Apani nitiere a few cases mwanyalo winjo ka pod chiaye moke kao matin. But apani winjruok wano noduoko kuo mane thoth piny kabisa. Kata gi imruok mane nie kind oganda wariyo mawuok Kericho gi jowa ma Nyakach.
Koro ote mane minyalo kwayo ne oganda ugo eko sechegi joluo go ngero ni kwe ber budho. Ere kwe maket kod manyalo kelo dongruok machalo nade e kind oganda ariyogi?
Anyiso jowa ni kwe ber budho, nyaka wabed gi winjruok kendo oganda ariyogo. Jowa maricho ka nitie joma timo richo kata mong'eni jakuogo eko gin ema ichiemogi gi wach tikawo negi atua mowinjore.
Okaw anyuola te.
No, okaw anyuola te ni richo. Kech anyuola te ok rach, nitie mana joma tin ma seche moko temo mondo tung kwe mosebedo e kindwa maber gi jowa.
Mheshimiwa, samoro oganda wacho ni weche mag pi be jachendo ahinya gwenge gweko mag Nyakach. Wang'e koda ma bende nobedo achiel kuom weche mane luwo machiegni to gi sani jo Nyakach nitie kod pi maler ma bende gimodho.
Weche mag pi chendo nitie kuonde mang'eny ma pod ok wayude pi kaka dwarore. But ang'eni the county government bosetemo ma nitie kuonde mang'eny ma the Sondu water project.
Yes.
Apani gisetemo kendo temo konyo jowa. But pod nitie demand mar pi mathoth kabisa ma pod wadwaro kata skunde kata kuonde mamoko. Yeah.
Awinjo kilero nyaka weche go eko mag somo mheshimiwa ni sani jo pako jo Nyakach kaka jogo eko mowero weche mag somo. E tudruok kod piny owacho kata sirkand kaunti ma Kisumu be nitie mosetimo mar neno ni kata ECDs ng'eni kiketo foundation maber to eka weche mag somo bende koro dongore ka nitie kod chia. Bineno ka nitie mosetim to kowere kod mago mag counties, mago ECDs, mago mag national government, ang'o minyalo siemo, ang'o ni makoth koro go oko mheshimiwa?
Weche mag somo apani kata tich abich mokalo ni neno ka ne an gi program. Nekech weche mag somo en gima ji riwore, nitie ma atimo gi pesa mar mandate manomiya mar CDF, to nitie ma be watudore gi jothurwa ero somo. Nitie project ma ginyalo ga wuok oko to gitimo. Nitie project ma be watudore go osiepewa migepe mopogore opogore. Like sani neno kanyo watimo ground breaking manye the chief guest ma inche nalosogo en Deputy Inspector General mar Police iluongo ne Gilbert Masengeli manyo biro Nyakach, kendo nitie project mochakonwa maduong' Obanda Primary. Koro we are going to do that project with his support, but the community and CDF will also give an input. So the video project may transform the school and maybe one of its own kind. Mapane that project kotieke will be a 200 million project for Obanda Primary. So that is a remote part of Nyakach. and that is going to be a game changer. And joanyiche mor korwake, so adwani wagone erokamano. Nitiere skundewa machalo Sangoburu mase support asenyiewo negi school bus like Sangoburu Secondary, but nitie joint efforts mwasetimo through CDF and also as individual stakeholders, the community makanyo ero weche mag somo. So gisetimo through Arambes magise build Sangoburu to become one of the most outstanding schools. King'iyo weche mag somo, for the first time nyaka noyiera na achako the Nyakach TVET, Technical and Vocational College, miluongo nogoro Nyakach. So iduogo yudo ka it is one of the best, which I think has picked up better than any other, I think, in Western region, and is doing well. So mano is one of the education investment mwaseketo, Nyakach Technical. I think in Western region it is picked ahead of all the colleges Manochak Kode, and they are very unique equipment, and they're training people in all aspect of life, in all the technical things. So kiduogi cheko skundewa, tibro yudo ka nitie skundewa which had very poor infrastructure. Kidhi kata Nyakach Girls Gini, which is the most populated school in the entire Republic of Kenya. And neno ka examination manotim, sani they were able to take 700 girls to the university, direct entry to the university. So that is out of courtesy of the hard work and support mwasebedo kwamegi. Either they needy children through bursaries. There are many needy children in many of our schools, but we are supporting through bursaries. Many schools in Nyakach, manenegi floors maglo, we have now turned them and we've done tiling in almost all the schools in Nyakach. And work is going on in many of them. Okanyal County, because you know Nyakach has the largest number of schools in the region. So work is going on in many schools, and we are still continuing to work. And the true testament to that, Ibrongi exam manyotim. Look at Kisumu County, and you look at the national performance in the last year exams. Tibro Yudoki were the traditional Maseno High School. All schools which were in the top 100 in Kisumu County were all from Nyakach. You would count Nyakach Girls, you would count Turdibuoro,
the little known,
Yudo, Ramulodo. So they are little known schools, but they were all from Nyakach. If you check that list,
actually Turdibuoro, man, no surprise one
of the top 100 schools.
Erokamano ne mheshimiwa kuom lero moko kuom dongruoge mabende kod udhi nyime kod chwalo ne jopiny anyete sub county ni noero ma Nyakach. Wadong' kod dweche ma ok tin ne 11 to wadhi e yiero ma 2027. Ang'o ma pod idwa span of time modongo ni iketo maino ni kanyo dweche modong pod in mjumbe
dweche na nyisi ni nitie ndeche mne richo kabisa. Mamoko I'm trying to coordinate with the national government in the spirit of the new arrangement mwantiere. Nitie ndeche mang'eny Nyakach madwaro na neko golam kapod ok adhi e yiero mokalo, like ndara mowuok West Kabodho kusatie nam karingo nyaka kalo Kolweny to donjo Nyamarimba to dhi nyaka Oboch, ka George to Oboch. Wadwaro ni wa connect mondo watiek tich mane wachako. Manosego the bit of it from Sondu to Nyabondo and to Oboch nosego more to help serve the Nyabondo Trauma Center. Many of our big schools are in that area. Nyakach Girls, Nyabondo High School, Sigoti, Bodi, Nyamarimba Girls would all be served Rakwaro. And many other schools. We have also put up Ogorolo courts to help in dispensing quick justice. Nitia law court, which I'm just waiting for the Chief Justice to come and open. Yes, I've already invested through CDF Mwase Temogik Mane the requirements to meet the standards of the judiciary. So we are just waiting for the Chief Justice to make time. Mondo chak teach, Mondo Konjo. So there are many roads. Moadwal also, we have the road from Katito, madhi Awase, mwasekete program. So that is also going to serve Joa, Makatito, Agoro, Game, and Katolo, and Jo Awase. Modak Awase, the trade, it will facilitate trade between Katito and Awase.
Yes.
And Eastern transport, Marijo Maluo, Kisumu, Aero Road, Koro Moko Nyalo Luo Koni. So that is going to be tarmac. We've already put it on the program. And Ndara Mowuok Nyamarimba, Kadonja Poko, to the Obuora, Kaeto Donjo Nyakaradienya, in a remote part of Kajimbo in Nyakach.
Yes.
So that one we have also put, because it serves several schools, St. Anthony Kajimbo down there, Nyamarimba, and Ngala, and Ramulodo, and Dirubi. So we have also put that Maop Nikapodo kwa the year to the program Margidi Chakore Monda Gidim.
Rekomana nye mheshimiwa, kinde milero magi Nyakach sub county not on a very bad faith. Ose ng'en uni weche mag kuyo kubera yenye gweng'u kanyo. Kipimo kod sub counties mamoko. Report wacho ni seme bet ber molo sub counties mamoko. Joma igo aga wigi, jomimonja monja gi jo pikipiki, koni kod kocha. Ang'o motimo Katito jini piny koruto ma otimore Katito, wang'od ng'ane, joka ng'ane laure gi joka ng'ane, weche maricho mheshimiwa. Buse bet kaka oganda kaka joka ng'ato mowach ni weche mag monj misiki mar metedo na pipe Nyakach. Ere kaka unyalo duoko piny? Kose ang'o?
Mago eko emomiyo ineno kasetemo invest on security, nikech nitie actions moko miwacho ni criminal.
Yes.
Ka ng'ato undertake criminal action, so it is up to the government through the rightful security apparatus to take action on criminals. We don't blame the public for that.
Yes.
So I think insecurity has been a challenge, and Manani Nyakach being a special place, Magwagi landore mapiyo, because Jowa mang'eny are exposed and things touching on Nyakach. And that is the constituency of Adumu. People will talk about it. But gigiti morate maybe in this other constituencies, even this other theft.
Okay.
Iwinjo. Ng'enya kuonde gi samoro ka wuotho kuonde mang'eny there. But people don't talk about it. People don't make noise about it.
On the same breath, ye namuda mi thuolo mondo ior oteni makuyo ne o Jabura Badu migosi James Nyakach mabende no wito wuon mare e odira ni eri mano migosi Eliud Nyakach. Ang'o ma diwache wachero?
Erokamano, Nyikal ok en jabura wadwa, but Nyikal en nera. Ing'eni mama na wuok dala gi kanyo. Yeah. So Nyikal en nera. We've had very good working relations with him, and then one of our dependable men who you can rely on, very forthright, and a leader you can rely on, very focused and very dedicated. So adwana go erokamano modhi no mano koro kwara Eliud Nyakach is my grandfather. Yes, from Seme man.
Giyudo mos mowuok kuomi mheshimiwa.
Adwana olne mos mathoth ahinya ne joseme duto, the people of Seme kane aduto, and the people of Kisumu County. Kech Nyakach en jakom marwa mar duol. Riwruokwa kaka wabunge mag joka nyikwa Ramogi Ajwang'. So adwaro nagone mos makende, and ang'eni wabro tudore kode kuyo noero.
Erokamano. Mheshimiwa, just a flashback. Sigandi wacho ni in ng'at mosetiyo e nyandho mag tich mopogore opogore e pacho kaendi, kane pok ibedo mjumbe ma Nyakach, nitie nyandho misetiye anye weche gi eki mag chike. Parne oganda jokanyanam ni piny ne chalo nade higni mane utiyo kod Jaramogi muchopo nyaka utiyo kod Raila Odinga nyaka sani. Sani waneno ka nyithindo moko ringo koni kod koni weche mag njore, gidwa ni gichap jotelo. Kipimo ndalo gi ndalogo gi ndaloni, what can young people learn e ngima masani kod ngima machon?
Anyalo wacho ni en ndalo machon ing'eni piny sani nitie gik mang'eny mobire. To nyithindo ka bedo raised kaka nwabedo raised nopogore. Wan ka nwabedo raised, wan ka nidhi skul to niket lweti mondo kala ne iti koni. Ka iki osedhi malo to lweti pok okalo iti tinyisi pok iromo dhi e klas achiel. To ka paro ndalo machon go to ji ne chako ka nodhi e nasari, nasari mane ji dhie mokwongo ni puonjo ji weche mag kanisa. An aparo kan watindo to ninyisowa ni wende moko kaka ka waseko mako weche mag ruoth wanabedo osiepe kaka owacho. Wan nyithindo matindo ahinya ka waseko mako weche mag ruoth ka walame pile nyaka gokinyi wanabedo osiepe kaka owacho. So gima ne kuongo puonj nyathi wa moral values and standards and respect. So gima timore sani momiyo values odok piny ok en kuom waya kende miwacho, because waya also take examples from the leaders and gi jotelo and how people carry themselves in the society. So people like Jaramogi Gini stood a very high moral ground even in terms of politics. Naoko keto mwandu mbele, and they stood for real virtues mane the society dwar. They could not be compromised. And nyithindo nong'eni they reflected the ideals, a dream world mane gidwaro ni wabede. Although thoko kwa chopo kuno, but we are carrying that dream alive today, and that is what Baba carried until his death. So ng'eny jo amobiro sani, ng'eny gi obiro ka jomoko donje siasa because they have money. Koro sama gidonjo moko miyo nyithindo gi kata false hope mar pesa mang'eny. To ka gisedhi to gi abandon gi. Koro nyithindo kokne, so nyithindo gi moko get disillusioned and moko get into even kongo and drugs and nyasore. Koro they become difficult to control. But the only way to correct mana kaka wanyalo wacho ni gikatimore gi nyithindo goeko is that they must be given hope. Kok wamigi hope magineno on the leadership kata the country gin gi hope moro for the future. We create opportunities, then we are going to run into trouble. Because even before multipartyism, at that time of Jaramogi, ne wan gi industries which were working well in Kisumu. We had the private sector which was thriving. We had Kikomi which was running well, and employing very many of us. We had Kenya Breweries which was working well and employed many people. At the moment we have Kenya Breweries, but it is just a depot for storing alcohol. It doesn't employ. We had many smaller industries owned by individuals which were doing well, like Lakeland Motors. We had the DTW, we had Cooper Motors in Kisumu. These industries are no more. The sugar factories were doing well and employing many of our people. Gigi are no more. Many of nyithindwa gi sani are going to school. Some of them up to the university to giduogoko, and they want to stay for 2 years without a job. It will be very difficult to contain them kokwa migio, because some of them are married and they have those demands. So they will be compelled to go into crime. So it is up to us as the leadership, as the government, to create hope and get opportunity for this youth.
Mheshimiwa, anytime when you get platform kata bed room mora mar nini to kapoko mi kidhi makoga microphone ni wuoyo to jogi chakoga wer wuoth to bor atero wa polo nyao yweyo gidok e timbe piny yor Sayun to onge kar yweyo.
The origin mar werno is to nyiso jowa ma chunygi yot kata modonje siasa sani and have high expectation. Samoro no yieri kawuono to kiny idwaro ni bed gi cha, you are too ambitious. Samoro yieri cha itimo tam achiel or itimo tam ariyo to you feel ni you should rise to the top of even the party leadership. Kora nyiso jowa ni development and progress in politics is a long process.
And most.
Ochalo wuoth mar jo Israel kane giwuok Misri. Koro joma ne onge roho ne ok ogik Kanaan. Ne gisarenda, moko notho, notimo timbe maricho. Manolamo nyiseche manono mane ok ochopo. Koro resilience, ng'eny our leaders onge resilience. Atemo remind ni people like Jaramogi were resilient. Raila was resilient. He did not start from the peak where many of our politicians saw him. When he started from that humble background, not looking at the fact that his father was the first vice president in an independent Africa. He went through sacrifice, he underwent difficulty, Mekwangena Mutue, until where he reached. Ne ok give up. So ng'eny jo mang'eny minyalo yudo noyier ng'ato kata kawuono.
Yes.
Oyieri one term or two term in an MP. Tifil mana na adwa bedo kata party leader.
Okay.
What's wrong with
that? What's wrong with that?
No, you take time and you need experience. In politics, experience counts.
Okay,
yes.
Popcorn.
Yes, and you don't overestimate yourself. Sometimes you let it come from the people. Onge kamara ila no nyiso jini ele modwa bedo party leader.
Okay.
It is the people who chose him. Onge kama Dr. Buru Sani as the ODM party leader no nyiso jini ele modwa bedo kanyo. So leaders emerge. So it is a process, and many good things take process to come. Ok gibi mayot. So mane momi
ingat mo yie kuom mama wacho ni piny ruoth polo yako. Kendo no teke kawe gi teko. Maru ni ok yako.
No. but piny ruoth polo no Nyasaye be wacho ni help the weak, not joma strong. Joma strong to Nyasaye ok bed kor. Nyasaye bedo kod joma weak kata oganda matin.
So
at that time, the moral standard, we have people who are greed for wealth, showbiz politics, people want to drive very good cars. So manner is one of the things moket our society. And omiyo kata yude wa koro seche moko nyalo timo gik moko magino, but nyaka wamigi yo. Yeah.
Itemo wacho mheshimiwa ni jatelo kochuno ni nyaka ibed gi nyamburko matinde dongo, nyaka ichung'e wi sunroof ekibed jatelo.
No. Adwaro na nyisi ni an nachako bedo gi mtoka ma sunroof. Apani ka many of the MPs we have currently had not joined politics. I think maybe the current lot of even our MPs, I was the first one who owned a sunroof car. My Mercedes KAJ 660 V, and it is still going strong. But you've never seen me get on top of that sunroof. Yes. Yeah, I've had for as long as I've owned that car for about 40 years. It had a sunroof. To nangeni wan gi jatend wachiel monego bed ni wuok e sunroof. And kata sani wan gi jotend wa mawuok. So that is why many times you'll not see me at the sunroof of a car.
What does it mean to you? Meaning it could be a show off. What does it mean to you?
To me, I think kadwa loso gi ji tadwaro na wuok piny taloso kodgi. To kadwa na loso gi ji on sunroof. Because nitie jotelo monego bet. My belief, that is my personal belief. Neka baba ne nitie. To be a me respect to ko wuok e sunroof to an be ok na wuok e sunroof na chung kae. Yeah. Ko Buru nitie, I will give him that respect. When President Ruto is here and he's on the sunroof, I don't think no nega wuok e sunroof. And Magi are some of the things which have degenerated with the multi-party. I didn't remember anybody getting out of the sunroof when Moi was atop the sunroof. So you could look at those old days and see how things used to happen.
So this looks like it has some significant meaning to me. Okay, na gimora mora.
Yes, to me, I
think
it is out of respect that there is one symbol of power and we give it. My cars, I've got some cars which have got sunroof, but you'll hardly see me in any forum. Yeah.
Mheshimiwa Dumo Owuor is always described as a soft-spoken, humble, according to Jomo Osewuothokodi. And how you play your politics and how you talk to your people, Samoro Dierogaji. I've been with you to our meetings. Some of them hostile. And Kamaoji ok expect ni nyalo bire. Tibiro kiwuotho, kendo kata kimoso jo, utimo samosa jo, you just mingle with them. At a point ma oganda mamoko to wuotho gi jok makor gidongo madhiro ji. How do you manage?
Humility is the way to go, and I believe in humility because I believe this opportunity to serve as an MP is just a privilege and honor. Not that I'm the best even in Nyakach, but a privilege. And seche moko muma mar Nyasaye wacho ni rieko loyo teko, to awi loyo rieko. So en Nyasaye moketowa kuondego ni wabed, and we are serving at the Lord's mercy. And an ageno ga ni Nyasaye marita kamoro madhi, not any gun ma ng'ato nyalo miyaore anybody ga. So mian kamoro kata kinyisa ni kanyo rach, to samora bro adhi, and ok bother about anything na career ni wipon kata na wuotho gi ng'ato, because I believe the Lord is my protector, and the Lord has a mission for me. Ang'e ni nitie maricho mosepangna, but aneno ka Nyasaye osekonya makalo gi duto maonge wach moro. Koro aonge ga luor e chunya kadhi kamoro.
In ema in gi jowasigu koso jowasigu ema imi?
Ang'e ni nitie jowasigu moseima mang'eny mango. Kijasiasa nyaka ibed gi jowasigu, moloyo ka in ng'ama osebedo around baba over the years.
Yes.
Ma be seche moko ne timo gik moko. Ing'e ni chon an ema ne an coordinator mar kata yiero e Nyanza ka mangima, and asebedo official mar party go eko kane chakore around baba, and I'm a key player in matters mag elders who are revolving around baba. Yeah, apani kata the current lot of leadership inyalo paro kane wafunjo NDP.
Yes.
Mwa join KANU, to inyalo remember ni an owuon mane I led the elders who went to Kabarak,
Okay.
to consult with Moi over the issue when Raburu was the PC, me and PC Raburu.
Yes.
One man Watelo, the elders led by Koyo Pien, and all our MPs then were there, and the KANU MPs when we converged in Kabarak. So those things, when can make you bedo gi enemy. Ang'e ni nitie kata leaders moko mosetemo intimidate wa, ji nyalo temo intimidate josiasa ma Nyasaye ok omiyo rieko ma pachgi bet ni chien matin. Nyalo temo tactics mag intimidation go eko mondo ne kaka nyalo miyi luoro. Moloyo kama kech nyinga osengekore.
Yes.
Ni kamoro kadok defend kom ma Nyakach. Abro dwaro kom mar gavana Kangire Manera, Professor Nyang'o koro tam ne orumo. Koro anyalo biro dwaro.
Are you a coward?
Kanyichuti, no, I'm not a coward. No.
Just intelligent?
I don't know whether I'm intelligent, but I know I'm courageous. That one I know. Naonge ga luor e chunya katimo gimoro. Yeah.
Adum jo Nyakach. That's what you say, not me saying.
Jo Kisumu.
Adum jo Kisumu, that's what I mean. Adum jo Kisumu.
Yes.
Narrative mar Adum jo Kisumu ni nisieko kiwuogo kure.
Nyinga mar Aduma nowuok Nyaera korgi Robert Ouko. Ne wan gi tudruok malach kaka jo Nyakach gi jo Nyaera.
Okay.
Kech Nyaera kanyo ne nitie kanisa mar AM Sing'enge AIC African Inland Church.
Okay.
Ma teko ne nitie Nyaera mochako Gada School to kendo chako Nyakach School. Kano hotel ne gi msungu maniluongo ni Bwana Ines. Koro chon kenyruok kata ka ji kendore ne timo along church lines.
Okay.
Mane momiyo kata jaod Robert Ouko mokwongo ne en waya kano kendo kano wuok dalawa. To ne nitie waya mane biluongo ni Mary Abuor mano tedo Nyaera, nyamin the late Zakra Moko.
Okay.
Mane onyuolo wuoyi maniluongo ni Joel Aduma. Koro Aduma ni ema nochaka maja Nyaera. Koro in essence an ja Kisumu.
Okay.
Winjo. Koro mane momiyo aluongo ni an Adum jo Kisumu. Kamano.
Adum jo Kisumu, ang'o midwa kelo manyien e Kisumu?
Gik madwa kelo manyien e Kisumu.
Iseng'iri, igori peksen.
Gima chanda, one is to improve on infrastructure. Kama inche governor osechake kaka osetere, neno ka there is improvement in infrastructure.
Okay.
In many of our urban areas, there are many roads which were not there, which have been opened to Dunga, some in Nyalenda, Manyata, going outside. So nitie many nekech, the time momegitin you would not have completed.
Okay.
But you want somebody who can carry that legacy on. Baba's dream was also on infrastructure, and that was the major theme even in the Guinea Maro Dia.
Yes.
In the manifesto.
Yes.
Was infrastructure. So I want to carry on with that mandate to marry infrastructure for the entire Kisumu County. Manaka kisene na time Nyakach ade from Sondu to Nyakach Girls Takeleka, so Katita Wase, Kakatime Kaseda Road, Goeko. If you see, you'll find Nekatandeji Menchatimo under the main care funds. If you look at many of those roads, are keto concrete slabs, Kwode Marich.
Okay.
To Kwabire County where resources would now be available. So we want to expand this to the countryside. Like Kabiro Kisumu, I think the road from Kawas to Kibos to Ombei kobedo pen will not have that log mabedo on Nairobi Kisumu Road, because you'd now get
somebody can maneuver.
You can maneuver and get there. The road mawuok Chega to Donjo Kibos, those roads, I'm glad the MP Manyando has been working around the clock under the support Margik Manochakri Baba Chon. They've already been put on the program and they'll make our work easy. The road mawuok Chega to Brodonjo or Abur to the Nyaka Nyangande to the Nyaka Nduru to Chakudugo Nyaka Rabur. Those things will open business in the areas and help us. So need many roads which are now under, which will carry on. You need somebody at the helm of the leadership can carry those things on. Somebody with a dream who understands Kisumu has been there, because I understand the Kisumu development agenda, having served in Kisumu as the town clerk. And initiated even those private investment like the Nakumat, Makachok Junction. Those were done courtesy of my goodwill as the town clerk. If you look at those developments, you will find the approvals were signed by me. So understand, if you go and look at the molasses plant, you will find that those development projects were approved by me as the town clerk, because I understood their import when they were being done, though they were private investment. So need many things we can do about Kisumu.
Mheshimiwa, bechandi ni iko mar gavana ni uje Nyakach wuok ne bura kendo ulwa ne ukawe. Benti paro ne samoro chieng' moro nunya bet piny kaka Nyakach ma ombulu luar ne kata in kata ng'at machielo. Bochando
Anok chanda, because I understand my capacity. I'm the only one who has been voted and elected. You know, when you are voted for the first time, you are voted on account of promises.
That you
go and you promise the people that I will do this if you vote me. When you are being voted for the second time, that is a show of confidence. What the voters know, whatever money is of him. When you are voted for the third time, that is an expression of appreciation. Third and fourth time. So the people, me what you know, work Nyakach, who has been voted even in any word by the people of Nyakach, who has tested himself. Mane must run for any seat, obeyed a village elder, obeyed a locational elder, obeyed in a ward area. Which one has run in Nyakach? Most of them were engaged in Nyakach. Mogonekura. There's none. And there's nobody who has emerged as Nyakach. So when Senator Gienda came to contest, and he's my very good friend, we've worked very closely with him. So when he came to contest, he came from Moron. Yes, not from Nyakach. So that is not the basis. The people of Kisumu will look at the credentials, and I'm telling you, they'll not disappoint, because some people are putting them on the line to give them handouts. They will not vote on the basis of handouts. And these other fellows came and found me in politics in Nyakach. Who among them joined politics? When did they join politics? The ones who want to come. So it is good for them to come, but the governor thing is not a Nyakach issue. So it doesn't matter how many candidates will come from Nyakach, even if they were 10. So it doesn't matter. The people of Kisumu will look for the best among all the aspirants.
If there is no Adoma, there is no Kisumu County in 2027. If it is not Adoma?
No. What we'll do, we'll just talk to the voters at the right time. We've not talked to the voter. I know there are people who have exhausted their campaign, and they've already known their worth. So they'll know the truth when we'll move to the ground now to start.
But okay, nien togi kuoma koke na Adoma. To kendo koro penyera chalacha.
No. It cannot be like that. Politics, you give it to the people to exercise the mandate. So when that time comes, we'll give the people of Kisumu, we'll talk to the people of Kisumu, and make a decision, and the right decision, and I'm sure they've never gone wrong in making that right decision.
Why I ask that, and ninti jomoko ma believe ni kokgin to Karaungi. and it is the first time mawinjo from a politician and a leader
Those are the
ma accept. Yes.
Those are the people I usually sing the song of Wuthbor to them. Yeah. Those are political amateurs who think if it is not me, I come on this party. If I can't get it, I run to that other party. No. The people of Kisumu, I think, will make the right decision. They've never gone wrong in leadership at that time.
Mheshimiwa, nikech sakoro dhi mapek, king'iyo oboke mar Daily Nation today, ok kod Said Othuli go e wang'i, Junet Mohamed wacho ni nitie tungni ma untiego kata mantie broad based arrangement nieri, kendo gigolo siem kaka ODM ni kapo ni ok nyamiu respect kendo luoro this arrangement, to samoro kunya chopo 2027 ka une broad based nieri. Ma weche Junet kende koso en mago weche pat?
Ok anwana comment e weche Junet go, because ang'e ni Junet has been out of the country. Ok an sure nosebiro kata noloso from kanye. And our party have got the spokesperson of the party, and the party leader. The party leader iluongo ni Dr. Oburu Oginga, the senator and the longest serving MP we have in the current parliament. So I think Nekanitie position to ODM as structures in which they would talk and guide us. So I would not want to comment or gimoro maneno mane newspaper. Many of the newspapers have been a bit hostile to us.
Why? Do you have any reason?
They are negative on the alliance between ODM and the UDA. I've seen from many press reportings, especially the Standard newspaper has been very negative. I looked at it even when Baba went for the run in Addis Ababa, and I would still recall the screaming headline of the Standard that sent back to the center. They were referring to Baba to be having been sent back to the center. And my critical analysis then was that Baba was being sent back to Ruto. They referred to Baba. And that was something which I thought was national, and Baba had done his best, and everybody ought to have complimented him for that effort. They had no any kind of compliments for Baba then. I've also looked at their subsequent reportings, and many of them have always been very negative about even reporting, even when the senator was attacked in Kericho. The senator was attacked in Kisumu. I've seen how they've tried to portray the PS for Interior, who they know is one of the backbones of the current government from this region, very negatively. And I know that that has been in bad light. I've been on record, and I would recall when we did the last Jaramogi Memorial in Kisumu.
Yes.
Many people, including respected leaders here, including the late Baba, were really harassed by goons who were then instigated by one of our members of parliament within the country here, who thought that he would use those goons now to scare people. So the idea of the goons has been a creation of some of our myopic politicians, who think, and people cannot blame somebody because you've been seen in a photo with somebody. Many of our youths or young people, when you appear and you are a brand, a leader they consider a brand, and they will want to emulate, they will want to come and have a photo with you. So the fact that a leader or the PS has taken a photo with some of these people who could be suspect cannot make him be condemned and not the way he is being condemned. So I think that the newspaper have been very unkind to him, and I just hope that the management of the Standard newspaper will have to look into that, because we do not want to tell our people now to even boycott buying the Standard newspaper. We don't want to go that way. I've also looked at many of the politicians who are attacking the PS. I've seen some very young MPs who want to make it just their need to attack even the PS. And if you look at some of them, wherever they go around the functions, I see some people who are even under investigations, or some of them who are under trial in some very serious, even murder or criminal cases, robbery and all murder cases around them, protecting them. And yet, when they see these same people take a photo in public functions with the PS, they want to go on the attack. I think if they have political scores, let us as politicians just be objective and face our political issues without condemning people who are not in politics, because the PS is not a politician, and I know he has done well to our community. So I think what we said also as a party, if there's an issue, then we'll wait for our party leader to give us guidance, because we are not in this arrangement as unless we are in this arrangement as equals. And some of us, when things don't go right, then we would not hesitate to speak up. We will speak up and be ready to bear any consequences.
Mheshimiwa, now that you've mentioned something about Raymond and producer Mara Manati Pokane Mheshimiwa iko makolowa kama ne Mheshimiwa Rosabuibu we winje gimana wacho. And then now that you brought something about Mheshimiwa Raymond, Japenjo moro janino moro wuoyo ka any some of the questions are between you and him. Koro samoro kachungo gito o penyo panye mani nyocho gocho nyoke mako mago magu kode ali wacho ni nyinge kecho wache public ne ka wacho moro ni ntiere penjo maduong' mantie kae ni on a serious note, mjumbe ang'o osetimo ne mar ariyo kwere ni owe siro jatend migao Omin Raymond oluonge ni jatend migao kuom seyo ma idhuro kuome, owe jopiny ema oamua, iro ok dum kama mach onge. Niko kamano to biro miyo ji bedo kodi gaginga in kaka jaod bucha mahero iluonge ni Jaduong' Samson Odek ma en japuonj megweng' kanyo. What do you think of his opinion? Ono paro moko mondiko go to mana magu mag dala to paro ni kaber to in kaka mjumbe gi iwire awe kod weche rei ogoga meke ibigaga meke.
You know, you don't run away from problem when you are a leader. You face those things and tell people. And that is the politics I learned from my mentors, was Jaramogi and the late Baba.
Yes.
That you confront issues head on. I'm also talking as a criminal lawyer. Many politicians have talked about Ray, but how many of those politicians have recorded statement to go and aid who even to be witnesses in the Osotsi case? I'm not encouraging what happened to Osotsi, but we must speak the truth. And in law, in criminal law, there's what is called malice aforethought. Malice aforethought means that you must have a predetermined mind when you want to commit a crime. But who knew that Osotsi would be at the Java thing? So the fact that people committed that offense, and it is also in the public knowledge that some of the people who committed are in the payroll and are in the employment of some of the leading politicians from Kisumu County who has talked about those politicians. Why would people just talk about Ray? Where was Ray at the moment of this crime? How did he know that Osotsi would be at Java at that particular moment? So let us be fair. I'm not trying to protect Ray, but I just say that we must be fair. Many people have talked very negatively against Ray because maybe they see him as a threat.
But people, were you
as a leader, out of the things he's doing, he's been very supportive. He has supported many young people. He's supporting the registration of the voters in this region. Many of us have always lost election because we are disadvantaged. We don't get the government privileges. So I want to tell Odek is my very good friend, but I'm telling them that I'm not supporting him because Ray is not running for any seat. But I've worked for him, and I'm not supporting any other leader. But if they'll investigate deeply, they'll find that some of the people who've been attacked are in the employment and are running money from the public coffer. So let us zero in on those fellows, and then let us look around our leaders, and we know the people in Kisumu, and know which people have they been working for. So the fact that some of them would go to chant those things, you don't blame somebody. If any of my supporters attack somebody, you go for those ones. They bear the criminal responsibility. You don't come and attack me. If you could prove I sent them, then you lay that proof and not in the media. The DCI is already investigating those issues, and they made very quick stuff. There are workers who I watched on the video who are very diligent in protecting all sorts.
Sure.
They have not made a statement. There's a very courageous Java staff there who I saw went against these guys alone to get all of those sorts. So let us be truthful when we are doing these things, because when a matter is also sub judice, then you don't raise it in the press. I know there are people who maybe want to blame Nani Ray for their political problems because they know Ray is the backbone of the president from this region.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, that is the truth of the matter.
Some people also want to be the backbone.
President, and so they want to bring him down.
Do you think some people also want to be the backbone?
I don't know. I don't know. I know there are many people who are working also for the attention of the president, but to me that one, let me not comment much on it. But I want to say that what happened, we know how gunship started in Kisumu, the people who initiated it, and I think at that time Ray was very far away from it. Yeah, we know the leaders who work with those fellows here. Yeah, I don't want to mention them, but they know themselves. Yeah. And you were telling me that Rosa said something.
Yeah, I want to bring on a clip Rosa Mapiepu. Before I do that, Mheshimiwa, if you allow me, Jote Millicent, wacheni amor kod pach Mheshimiwa, au yudo maler ka wuok Mweru pande Siaya County, dino bed mana mjumbena, jomoko dwari Siaya. And then, good morning, Anilungani Weekly Foyando. Pench na Mheshimiwa nito wech kudhok isewacho ma ukedo machalo nade igani ok waneno moro iluonge ni Weekly Foyando entie Kisii Town. And then Goigoi to wacho mana no mosi Daddy Justima wacho ni amor kod Aduma en adumb jo Nyakach madi chol ma wiye ler. Nyuchi iluongori kamano kamoro.
The Black Beauty
of the Kisumu. Ok tinde ok Nyakach kende?
Yeah, the Black Beauty. The Black Beauty of Nyakach.
Wilson Ouko wacho ni bende nitie kodi oluwo chenro e yonero makare. Achiel kachiel kwanyalo yudo kaka ne Mheshimiwa Rosa kod Migosi Oweli nyowuoyo liel moro e Kisumu East, Kolwa Central Sub, Kolwa Ward. Achiel kachiel producer.
Based government, we demand respect. As an equal partner, we demand respect. Recently, we've had some of the UDA members talking as if they do not know that the country exists today because of the sacrifice of Raila Amolo Odinga. When the Gen Zs came out to fight, it is Raila Amolo Odinga that ensured that this government was still in power. And when we talk about zoning, we do not talk about direct ticket. We are not asking anybody to lift anybody's hand up. It is a way of protecting the strength of the ODM party in its strongholds.
Winjo kaka way. What about this zoning that you're fearing? What's zoning?
We don't fear zoning. We don't fear zoning. But as I told you, sometimes it's difficult to determine what a politician will say to attract the present crowd or to please. And I want to say, zoning, if the party will take a decision that that is what they're doing, our party, and give injury, then that is what we'll do. Because me, I don't sit in the neck or in the Central Committee or in the National Governing Council of the Orange Democratic Party,
Yes.
but I'm a ranking member of that party, ordinary but ranking member of that party and a life member.
Okay.
So if there's something, somebody like Rosa sits in the neck and in those governing councils, if there's something, let them summon a meeting. Then they'll give us guidance. The party people will agree and will take guidance from the party leadership. Yeah, but you don't come and sometimes there are things you don't tell people at a funeral when they are bereaved. So that one I would say. On the issue, more condemn, everybody want peace in Kisumu.
Yes.
And sometimes when you want peace as leaders, we must also be responsible. If, for example, I go to Kisii today and maybe abuse somebody like Matiang'i, I don't watch how I put my words.
Yes, sir.
Then I'm sure that without Matiang'i sending anybody, there are people who might not take that kindly.
Lightly, yeah.
If I go to Machakos today and I want to speak derogatory about Kalonzo Musyoka, some people will not take that very
Lightly.
kindly. If you go to Kisumu and you want to speak about Dr. Buru negatively, being the ODM party leader, or you go to Migori or you go to Siaya, maybe some of our young people might not take that kindly. Yeah, because politics is emotive. So even on the issue of Ososime, there are people who have seen their comments who could not hold their emotions, but we would only tell them to be tolerant, our young people, and that is what leaders can do. So when we talk about unity, unity is good for all of us, and Kisumu has always been united and want that unity to continue, even as we have always been, because ODM is still there. Baba may be gone, but Baba was an institution and a system. So he's gone, but his system is still there and alive and will continue.
With the cracks,
I think beyond our time.
With the cracks you're having in ODM?
There's no cracks in ODM. No. There are no cracks on ODM.
Where are we having
who is
Orengo?
a founder member who has left ODM there? Was Orengo a founder member? Don't you remember there's a time Orengo lost an election to Steve Mwanga and Baba had to come and lift his hand? Don't you know there's a time when he lost completely and he had to be nominated when he ran on SDP? Yeah. And Orengo was not one. What position is he holding in ODM? Yeah. So there's no crack in ODM. Those are the
You're
things
trying
which
to
I
mean
say.
Orengo is going aside.
How
with
many
nothing.
MPs have left ODM? Was Babu holding any position in ODM if he says he wants to run on another party? Yeah. Is he holding a position in ODM? Apart from being the member of
they
parliament.
could be having following.
Following, you determine when you go for an election. You leave ODM, start your outfit, then go for election. The ODM structure is running. Look at when ODM had its, these people said that they wanted the party leader to call for a National Governing Council meeting. National Delegates Congress, which was called. This meeting ought to have been due in towards the end of this year, but because of the pressure they were putting, the party leader said, let me call this thing before the end of March, and it was called. And you saw the number of MPs who attended it. Look at the number of ODM MPs who are there.
I know you are in the...
Then look at this fellows at the NDC at Fungamano. How many MPs were there?
I saw it.
How many MPs were there? I think there were not more than even 10 MPs who were there. And we had hundreds plus on this other outfit. And all the party branch officials. So Ufungamano was just a small one. So we gave them a taste of their own pale, whatever they wanted. So there's no crack. What is happening is why I'm blaming even the Standard newspaper. Because one time I also saw a headline where the fruit chungwa was cut in the middle. There was a crack in the middle. Many of these fellows were holding those positions courtesy of ODM. And if they're courageous enough and they have a following, I remember when Baba had to resign from Ford Kenya to start NDP. And he resigned. during the life of parliament, and he went for a by-election and won, and that was in Nairobi. Let this guy so resign.
Nyocha waneno ka Migosi Sifuna e fungamana chielo no chung komako microphone kendo nyiso jatendu ni Migosi Buru nyokonya bedo jagoche. Nyocha chiedho nade kendo kwa uneno ka kendo okodwa no gole party. Has it come to your attention?
I don't want to comment on what these our young people are doing. They're industrious people, and what they're lacking is just experience. Where their people are very knowledgeable, they are industrious, they could be instrumental in many things, and they are good for the future. But they will only be good for the future if they learn from the experience.
Okay. Have you guys tried talking to them?
Yes.
What's the response?
I know the party leaders talk to them. I know they've had engagements. I know. But sometimes it is very difficult also to talk to the young men in politics. So my experience is that it would have been good for them to learn from the best and be slow. Okay. And I believe they will go.
So this thing you are calling, you are calling kingpin. Jawama jo piny paro ni enegi o gima pod kelo wach kaendi. Ni ng'ama en ruodh Luo.
Dr. Buru Oginga.
Huh?
Dr. Buru Oginga.
And who told you that?
We have two leaders who are leading the Luo structure. We have the Ker, who is leading the cultural aspect of the Luo culture and way of life. And we have our political leader, which is Dr. Buru Odinga, who is the undisputed party leader of Odia.
The fact that Dano Nyalo Chung, Rally Mago, Ni Koko Gimahu, does not mean you are following.
No.
The way they're doing it to you, Babu?
No. Let's wait for the vote when people go back to their own cocoons.
Kate mume wacho ni jinedo ke gwengegi.
Yes.
Ikwano ge gwengegi.
Yes.
Ekineno ni jadi.
Let's wait for that moment, and that moment is coming in the next 11 months. You'll know the truth of the moment.
Good. Kawa draw to a close, mheshimiwa. Kapo ni sani gik milieko obokegi otimore adier ni uketo ne jo udagi matek piny owacho ma samoro kudhi yiero to kudhi kutegno ahinya. What would be the fate and what is the expectation?
That if
there's a say in Daily Nation today ni okumor gi kakubedo handle. Part of it Rosa nowacho ni people must be respected in ODM. Udwaro respect. Kapo ni respect no kuyudo mudwaro ni what would be the way forward?
I don't know who doesn't respect them. They didn't tell us. They ought to have expanded for me to comment. I just don't want to talk because somebody has said something. Yeah, which I do not get the thrust of it. Ka onyiso waningani moko onyiso wa respect because me I like confronting issues head on.
One on one.
Yes, I know there are things you do not even me I might not be happy with, but when I get the head of state, I'll tell him. When I get it, yeah. If I get a chance and I get the head of state, some of the things which personally me, I would share with the party leader, will tell him that to his face, but you don't go to a funeral to yap when you have an avenue. Those people at the funeral, those youths, those mourners, maybe do not have the number of the people in the leadership of the other party or in the leadership of ODM. So you don't go to a funeral and yap those things without substantiation. So I do not want to comment on that.
On that much?
Yes.
Jatend piny kwatieko osebedo ka timo limbe.
Because respect is a two-way prophet.
Oh,
it's
be dware, Ng'acha be dware.
Ng'acha be dware. If he doesn't give us, we'll not give. But I've not been shown how they've not respected us because we have not experienced it.
Jatend piny osebedo ka limo gwengewa kabisa. Nyadidhigni. Allow me to use that term. Nyocha nitie oyawore Ruka, odhi Seme, Siaya, Rarieda, Mwalo. Gweng'i ma winjo nonego bed nobire machiegni to pok imiyowa tarik. Bas moro bende onego bed ni kelo Nyakach Girls kanyo. Ok ang'e ni mano be iluwo. Some people think President Ruto is hoodwinking the Luo nation. You think the same?
You know, we're in politics and Ruto is a politician. Ruto is a politician. What else would you expect him to do? We also want to build ODM. You saw us hold the ODM meetings. You've seen some of us holding ODM meetings in Eldoret and even in Kericho. So Ruto also, as the head of state and as the party leader of his party, also has got every right to come and try to pursue the votes here. That is very democratic and there's nothing wrong in it. And our people should not expect anything otherwise. That he should now just clip his wings. We only need to work hard, show our people what we also do in our respective areas. Like me, I've got confidence in my area of jurisdiction. I know the people are satisfied with my work. If you tell me we are running for election tomorrow, I would not be worried. I would welcome any challenge. I would not care whatever amount somebody else has that you'd want to use on the voters or to bribe the voters. So if we do things which are right and we talk to our people right, and we have the right people in the party leadership like we do now, because we have a hard-working party chair and a trusted party leader, then I do not see why we should worry when Ruto is coming. Let us see whatever goodies we can tap out of him. I would very much be delighted and personally have sent an olive branch to come and deliver for me the bus for Nyakach. We have issues so concerning Nyakach which we will want to address. We have issues where I know some of us could not be happy because maybe there are some of like appointments where we think we've been shortchanged, or which we trust where our people are qualified. You know, Luos have been marginalized for a long time. And when we get a position like some of us have gone for interview and won an interview, then we hear some people within the government, not the president, behind the president, go behind him to manipulate things to our disadvantage. Those are things we can raise with the president directly to address, and some of those we'll do without fear or favor when we get an opportunity to tell him the people who are doing that. But it should not outsmart the general good and what we are now getting also from the government in terms of development.
Mheshimiwa Sahi makoro mawawangu wadu ni watiegi kanyo tukwa tieko iwo Kenya Nyakach sub-county kumisitie kumthulo makutini ignia parko da beach if I'm not wrong, and iwe jo Nyakach nango ingi ngat ma isiamonegi koso gimanya manya kende
ana onge teko mar siemone jo Nyakach ng'ato gine ma gibromia ng'ama bro kao kara that time ochopo an mandate mara bro dhi up to August 2027 mambe kora dhi laro kom mopogore, but adwaro na wenegi a free environment ma joago nyalo campaign tuoro and may the best one win. Gima anyiso jo Nyakach pile nadwaro campaign mitimo gi kwe mokwa tigi jo maundu kata ni ng'ato biro dwaro kura kata ng'ama joma bro laro koda kom mar gavana nyaka gi embrace gi make odi gi listen to them gi winj gima giwacho and kel ng'ato yan jatelo moro moro kobiro. So jo amadhi campaign go, many people are now aspiring to be MP, and many of them kata kapok obedo MP there are a lot of support which they've given me and which they're giving to the community. Any support they give to the community which is positive, I take credit and I feel proud about it. Which we cannot do everything. Kata kobedo basari which we get from the government, it is never enough. Many of these our leaders have in their little ways supported education. They've supported churches, they've supported education, churches, and even on issues which are challenges we have, like difficult moments at funerals, and I do not take that for granted. So I want to thank them for that, but they just do a good campaign, because even if there are 10 aspirants, only one can be an MP when elected. Others would have other opportunities, others could also be there in future, but we must do it in a brotherly way. That is what I'll encourage, because me, I'm already headed to Kisumu.
Oh,
yes.
Ineyo.
Aneyo.
Ise chokokani, ise kalo dini, ise kalo katito.
I'm taking off. That's all you get it.
Erokamano ahinya Mheshimiwa Dumo Owuor, jaod bura no ero Nyakach, kendo wan kod dhial ahinya kendo amor kane waluongi to out of your busy schedule iyudo thuolo mondo mi bimbe kodwa. I know it's your first time coming here, but we are humble. To ma en chakruok mar wuoth ma be wasingo ni wabo wuotho kodi mondo kantie projects mitimo would be free to come and cover yodoro mathuolo. And maybe Adam thuolo mondo mi wachni mogik ne oganda jo Kanyanam ka watieko wach madibede chunyi johera magi mag ODM jo Nyakau mogik gi gima samoro ne ok apenji to digo mane odhi e it oganda.
Erokamano. Gima nyalo wacho ni juma mokalo ne wadhi e lemo mar Pasaka kama iluongo ni Full Gospel Church, Muhoroni Township. To ne wan gi party cha marwa ma
kama winjo ni bete
Gladys
nomiyo picha
Gladys wan. Koro kane wadhi kanyo to as the chairman of the party and our overall leader no luongo all of us who are leaders in this region mane nyalo bedo gi thuolo mondo tere odhi oleme Pasaka because Muhoroni is a birthplace. Koro kane wadhi to leaders manoluongo gi moko nekech nyiego ne ogore fitina ne ok dwar dhi kuno.
What do you mean, Mheshimiwa?
Moko ne ogore fitina ne neno ni nitie kaka jachung ne Gladys
nego
wadgi moro mabe dwaro kom mar MP Muhoroni.
Yes.
Koro joge nokodhi to bang'e kane wadhi Gladys noloso maber maonge jatelo moro amora manolose wiye kata ng'ama noungore kuome apart from lemo noero ma watieko mane wadhi wamoso joama Muhoroni mondo wanyisgi maendeleo mantie gi gikate to bang'e kana wuok kuno to naneno kosiepna kendo ma jaod bura ma Muhoroni mabe en wat Gladys mane Gladys opres maber kaka ne be ochung' kode kata somo mare owuok mana ka yanyo Gladys. Mane gima neno na nyiso joane kiro donje gik machalo kamago nekech kijatelo to ine midwa lose wi jatelo wadu marach and moloyo motelo nwa both in terms of political ranking and in the party as a governor. To it didn't come out well. Kechano kawinjo kama Gladys nodhi nowacho nomako lwet ng'ato kata lwet owadgi. To Gladys be onge ratiro monyalo wacho ni kowadgi dwaro gimoro to nyalo nyiso wadgi ni nokinya dwaro gino nikech an governor makucho kata an jatend ODM. So mane gima dwaro na nyiso joago eko mondo siasa machalo kamago kik bedi. Nyoro nya winjo ka kamoro ka bura moro timore Muhoroni to joma nowuotho gi Gladys kanyo ne jomoko ornegi jomaundu manyoor e bura moro manyotimore e area mar Koguta. Nitie joma koro isiemo moketnegi jomaundu mondo bed joma nyalo imogi. Awacho ni mano ok politics mwanyalo dhigo mbele in a democratic country Kenya and kendo kwadwaro kwe mathurwa kaendi. So josiasa matemo timo mago king'eni timo ni oro ng'ato jomaundu ni kao yudhe ni miyo pesa nodhi ohiny ng'ato ni miyo sla. Let us not do it kaka nyawinjo kotimore kane nitie yo Koguta. So Gladys onge ng'ama nosiro and adwa nwanyis ni Gladys is the ODM party leader. Kidhi kata ni lose wiye marach kata ni korianye, that is insubordination mar the party.
Wacha no paro no rieko.
Okinya nyiso Gladys ni paro ne oriek muloi because you are not talking about rieko or anything. So I think ni the member mosiepna masetiyo go very close for a long time nyicho the out of order by weche mancho wacho kuom nyawanga ta nyiso gando wane kire donje weche go eko wane ng'eny nyarwa ng'aya gi Dr. Buru and we'll give them the full support to continue with the legacy mane baba mar ODM.
A quick one, now that you brought this as we conclude, iluongo ga ibuche gi method mane kech awinjo ni gima ne kelo bone of contention ka was ni Mheshimiwa Koyo was invited to this meeting through a text message and I was up, and to make the matters worse, the text was forwarded.
All of us were invited in the same way and we didn't complain. Our women rep who is Iran King, Ruth Odinga, was in Nairobi, got a similar message, and flew for this prayer service. I was in Nyakach. Me, I even got a message that morning. I didn't get it even a day before. And I managed to drive very fast to Kisumu. Atandi was in Alego and had some meeting in Nairobi. Came. Boyd Were was in Kasipul, which is far away. Came for the meeting. Koyo's home, that is his constituency, and he has a home in the constituency. Cannot raise complaint. Senator Ojenda was invited. He did not come. He has not raised complaint. He sent apology. That is also his hometown. So, to me, I think
the issue is not how you were invited.
The issue is not how you are invited, and that is why I say he was missing the point. And his statements, personally, I did not see them in the best interest and in good light. They were negative and maybe out of malice. And so let us not blame the party leader for our political wars or anybody.
That may push somebody to ask, ni karakapo ni ungiachela ria dek madhano jabedo go mheshimiwa. So where is the right platform to share? Kapo ni anu mheshimiwa an kodi wabedo kusebedo kodi odbura. To watch more kikimbo kodi. Should I be quick to go to social media?
We have a dual meeting. Can an issue more the member feel no negotiate talking yalo they are there. A studio kate radio teacher ko yap about it. Inyalo luongo duol wan gi jakomo mar duol men Dr. Nyakach mowito baba gini.
Opimone ne wach
moro nika. Onyalo luongo wa kaka MPs ma Kisumu County to kelogi. Gladys is also very accessible as our party chair. She's very available. Kigone simo to bro mako kato bro duoko. So nyonego nyalo nyiso Gladys to gochone. Because all along Nyakodhi radio, onge ni show not gochone kata Gladys na dich ko kanyal biro.
Just to clarify, yes. 1, 2, 3.
And that was a church. Kanisa manya saibo luonge ngato. Kidwaro ro you go if you think you need in. Yeah.
Kama naja mheshimiwa kumka thuolo mari mondo ibitwa kod gone jokanye namgu kinyi maket kod maendi kendo kaka no wacha tielo mokwongo wabolre kuom ni yudo thuolo mondo mi bi imbe kod oganda jokanye nam kaka be bolri kibiro twakodwa ni obiro bolore ka waringo e kor gweng opogore ka in pago nyasi to bed kod thuolo mar luongowa nwanyis jopiny kaka en gi kaka otimore kuba kidi bo wacha ni giba kidi kubedo jombola jokwe be mana kamano in mabende ni ka thuolo mari kendo luwo chenro gi kachiel sa 10:01 okinyi maket kod ma nyaka gisani wago ni ero kamano wachako time kendo dichieng machielo kiny chieng wuok tich makiny wabed kaendi kod jal mabendo gil nyinge kaendi mano migosi Robert Nyasuno owuon makiny lera achiel ariyo adek mabende osebedo kadhi nyime sub county ne gino ero mano ma Moroni. Wachako time kendo kaka wawacho nero iluonga ni Jesus Adoyo awuod seme mato Kala TV kendo duto wacho ni Kala TV machiegni pacho ma e odwa.